merong rules on electronic evidence. Under Rule 4 sa PG Padulyon, yung best evidence rule, sinasabi rito, Section 1, original of an electronic document. An electronic document shall be regarded as an equivalent of an original document under the best evidence rule if it is a printout or output readable by sight or other means, shown to reflect the data accurately. Ganun lang kasimple, compare mo lang. This is the rules promulgated by the Supreme Court on July 17, 2001 under AM number 01-07-01 SC. Ganun lang kasimple yun eh. Pero yung sagot mo kanina, parang hindi na, huwag nang palakihin yun. It's unfair na, the inference is negative. Na parang bang si congressman forcibly, wag naman ganun. Dapat meron kayong report talaga na walang ganun. Di ba?
Yeah, Mr. Chair.
He is a member of the House of Representatives. The insinuation that he forcibly took some data is not will be reflective on the image of the House of Representatives.
Yeah, Mr. Chair, yun lang po yung nireport po sa amin. So we were just relaying po. That time po, I wasn't still with the DPWH, Mr. Chair.